Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk to you about something important in hypnosis. This question came up in a Q&A session recently with our students. Is vocal tone, is your tone of voice in hypnosis as important, equally important, more important, less important than the words that you use as a hypnotist? What do you think about that, Mike?
Well, not only do I think about it, Chris, I have the answer.
Oh,
and it's
okay.
the correct answer. Your vocal tone in hypnosis is crucial because the words only give part of the message. Your vocal tone changes everything if you think about it. Someone says to you, "Oh, I really like your house." Now they use the exact same words. "Oh, I really like your house."
Really like your house.
Yeah, right away you're getting a different
Or what if
message
you just
here.
flatten it and go,
I really like your house. That's data.
Yeah.
Remember, if your voice is flat, that's data. It's a statement. If it goes up at the end, it's a question. If it goes down at the end, it's a statement, a command. So think about this when you're doing hypnosis. Your vocal tone must match what you are saying. For example, there's the old thing, the dictionary balloon test or whatever, where one hand is getting heavy and the other one's getting light. You don't want to say, your hand is getting lighter and lighter and lighter, and then say, and your other hand is getting heavier and heavier. No, you want to, your hand is getting lighter and full, and your other hand is getting heavy and pulling down. The vocal tone amplifies what the words are saying.
I am so glad you brought up the dictionary balloon suggestibility test. I'm just going to sneak this in here for those of you who are hypnotists or if you're students of ours in the Mike Mandel Hypnosis Academy. We have certification testing, and one of the common questions people often get wrong is exactly about that. Your vocal tone must match what you're saying in this experience. So your hand, one hand's getting lighter and the other one feels heavier.
And not only in a test like a suggestibility test if you're doing them, but say at the end of your session, you're doing a cleanup working with someone and you want to give them a lot of positive suggestions.
You did really well in that session.
Yes,
you're
going to sleep so well tonight. You're a phenomenal hypnotic subject. It's not, okay, and you're reading your script, you'll notice that you'll sleep really well tonight and you're an amazing hypnotic subject. Where's the excitement in there? It's not there at all. Your vocal tone must match what you're saying. And when it does, your hypnotic work goes on steroids.
Oh, here's one more bonus for you. Embedded commands. We see this a lot in the classroom when we first teach embedded commands, which are the idea of using analog marking with your voice to mark out a specific command. Let's say the command is go into a trance. And it can be very easy for a person to simply take a deep breath and go into a trance. That would be the way we'd mark it out. Sometimes this is what would happen though, right?
Go ahead.
And it's very easy to take a deep breath and go into a trance.
Yeah, you don't want it to be a question. This is when it's going to be dropping. It's a command. The hidden command is go into a trance. And as you listen to this, you can realize you're very smart. I'm sending in things into your brain by matching the vocal tonality with what I want to have happen.
So realize that while we're giving you this tip as hypnotists who train other hypnotists, you can also use this if you're just having conversation in everyday life. So when you're using your vocal tone, use it in such a way that it matches what you're saying. Be congruent, be assertive, be respectful, be thankful, be inquisitive, whatever it is that you're doing.
Match it with your tone.
Absolutely. Oh, I said absolutely. So that's my cue to say, we are Mike Mandel Hypnosis. This is Mike Mandel. I'm Chris Thompson, and we train people in hypnosis and personal life skills, life development, making your life awesome. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and then
ring it.
Ring the bell. Yeah, you ring it. Ring it. Ring it again. Ring it again. That's it. That's it. Notice I matched my vocal tone to the command.
Nice.
All right. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video, and good night.